Hi everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, I am here today with a Crochet Society unboxing. Now you guys, when this showed up at my door, I want to say 3 days ago. Yeah, it's taken me this long to do this unboxing because I'm ever so tired, people. I am tired. Anyway, when it did show up, the mailing bag that it was in was all ripped up. So I threw that away because it was all like literally the box was like coming out of the bag. What is up with that, y'all? I do not know. I know this came all the way from the UK. So, okay, what did it encounter? Like, really? A rabid dog or something? Like, chew that up? I don't know. The box looks great though. Like, there is nothing wrong with this box. It's not dented, damaged, or anything. But yet the plastic bag was gnarly. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. So, we're going to get into this box right now because y'all know how much I love my Crochet Society box and my Mary Maxim monthly crochet kit, right? They make me happy, and I really need happy right now. So we're doing it. We're doing it, y'all. And ooh, there's a butterfly and some pink checks and some flowers. And usually the crochet hook will match the box. So that's a thing. Ooh, really? Look at this, y'all. Do you know who she is? I do. I watch her on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel. So she must be the designer of this box because they have her name on the box, y'all. Yeah. So I'm thinking if her name is on this box, the patterns are all going to be hers. And you guys, I am super excited to see what's in here. And I'm super excited to see what yarn is in here. Holy heck. Let's get this opened. Let's just, oh my gosh, you guys. This is like super hard. Oh my gosh. Oh, holy heck-a-moly, y'all. That hurt. That hurt my hand. Okay. There we go. Ooh, it says coffee, crochet, sleep, and repeat. I like that. But it should say coffee/tea, crochet, sleep, repeat, right? Yeah, y'all know how I love my Earl Grey tea. You know, Deborah got me hooked on that. So good. Okay, let's see what we got. This is all like really nicely packaged. We're gonna bust this little seal open. Oh, I try not to rip the paper, but sometimes it rips, and it did rip, but that's okay. Not a big deal. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? You guys, look at that. Holy heck-a-moly, can you believe this yarn? Those colors are like flippin' amazing. Oh my gosh, amazing. And these are big balls of yarn, you guys. Crochet Society Brunaticality. I can't say the name right, y'all. I just can't. It is Confection DK yarn, and we have it's 100% acrylic, and this is called Sunset Surprise. And you guys, it's a 100-gram ball. which is 210 meters, or that's probably about 216 yards or close to it. You know, I'm doing this in my head, y'all, so don't get nitpicky with me, okay? Yeah. All right, and then let's see, here is a different colorway, and this one is called, let's see, this one is called Spring Meadow. Sunset Surprise, Spring Meadow. And then we have a beautiful light yellow, also 100 gram ball, but it is, oh, it's also confection DK. It's just in a different, it's got a different band. See, this band matches the box. You see that? It literally matches the box. See the band? Yeah, matches the box. How crazy is that, y'all? Okay, so this one is called Lemon Drops 5. Don't know why it's 5, but it's Lemon Drops 5. So these are our pretty, very pretty colorways. Yeah. And I wish the lighting was a little bit better so you could see this a little better, but it is really beautiful yarn, really beautiful. And let's see what it says about the care of the yarn. It says, let me look. Let's see. You can wash it and you can dry it, I believe. Yeah, it looks like it's washable and dryable. So, and 100% acrylic usually is washable and dryable, so not a surprise there. Also, it does call for a 4mm hook or a 3 to 4mm knitting needle. So for you knitters out there, woohoo, beautiful, beautiful. So that is the yarn. And now for goodies, we get a little hoop. Hoop, yeah. Ooh, what is this? A pom-pom, you guys. Ooh, this is like a mustard yellow. Like, look at that. That actually goes really well together. Really, really well together. Yeah, so we have the hoop, we have the pom-pom. Oh my gosh, we got another hoop, and it's a bigger size. So look, we have 2 hoops. What is going on here? 2 hoops. I am very curious about these patterns. Okay, let's see the stitch marker. Stitch marker is beautiful. It is the butterfly from the actual box. A butterfly that's on the box. Oops, sorry about that, everybody. Let's see. There, sorry about that. But yeah, here's the stitch marker, and I love these stitch markers because they're made out of some kind of really lightweight plastic, and then they have the lobster claw right here. You can see that lobster claw, and it can go right on your stitch, and this does not weigh your stitches down, and I like that because I don't like my stitches pulled halfway to kingdom come. Y'all know what I mean? Okay, and we also have a 4mm crochet hook that does match the box. Once again, see, everything matches the box. You know, you gotta love that, right? I know I do. Oh, and look at this. What is this? Oh, it's a hook storage roll. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at that. And that also matches the box. Are you kidding me? That is, oh my gosh, that is so super cute. I don't care who you are. This here is cute. Cute, cute. Yeah. And then, okay, you can put hooks or needles in there. Look at that. hooks or needles, and then it's got the green ribbon tie, and on the outside it says Crochet Society, and it's got her name on it. So there you go. And if you're watching this and you're listening to me go Brune, I am so sorry, but I love you. I love you. All right. So here is the booklet, everybody. And once again, these booklets are literally amazing. They are very high quality booklets. Look at that. It is really nice. And on the back, there's always the conversion chart, because terminology from the UK to US is very different. And you have to realize that if you're making a pattern that's written with UK terminology, it is not going to turn out right if you try to crochet it using US terminology. It must be converted first, okay? So let's look at these. And yes, there she is. Oh my gosh, it's Bruna. So her name is Bruna. It's her website, her channel name that I can never pronounce correctly. And it's Bruna, you know what I mean? It's Brunaticality. Brunaticality. I don't know. I don't know how I'm saying it. But that's how it sounds to my brain. I don't know. But anyway, everybody, this is her. She is lovely. She has a wonderful YouTube channel with tons of free tutorials. So if you do not know who she is, go Google her, because she is amazing. Yeah. Okay. And so the very first pattern that we have is for this scrunchie right here. This is a scrunchie pattern, and it is called the Flower Power Puff Scrunchie. So yes, very nice little scrunchie. Okay, it talks about what's in our box, but we have already gone over that. So we do not need to go over that again. And then the next thing, oh, it is home decor. That's why we have the hoops. These hoops right here are for home decor. Okay, and that is called Twin Spirits Mandala. And that is this right there. Look at that. That's super nice, everybody. I really like that. Yeah, very pretty. Almost looks like the sun and a star. You know what I mean? Yes. Okay, so we have that pattern. This is a closer up of that pattern right there. I mean, that's gorgeous. That's really gorgeous. And especially if these colors fit in your decor, and if they don't, you can use colors in your own yarn in your stash, because you've got the pattern, right? That is if you get this box. Yeah. So anyway, oh, and here you go. Here is an example where they have done it in some different color yarn right there. Yeah. So very nice. Okay, and they said use your stash to make more. There you have it. Alrighty. Okay, let me look. Color Crush. Okay, I think that these are like the different colorways that people may have gotten in their box. That's what it appears to be to me. Okay, so our next one, oh, and this is where the pom-pom comes in. It's on a hat. So it says, this is called the Stay Groovy Beanie. Right there. Stay Groovy Beanie, everybody. Nice. That is a nice hat. All right. Stay Groovy Beanie. Yeah, gotta love it. All right. The next thing we do have here, and I think this is the one I like the most, and it's because y'all know I have a bag addiction. You know it. I do. This one is called the Funky Face Makeup Bag. And you guys, look how cute that is. That is super cute. You don't have to put makeup in this bag. You could use this as a little project bag. It would probably be great for socks, you know, to knit socks. It would probably be a great project bag for socks, or you could even use it as a little bag to go out in the evening. I mean, look how super cute it is. You know, you could use different color yarn and make it like in any color to match any outfit that you have. I mean, this is super cute. I am really, oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it. This is what I'm making. Look at that, you guys. I am totally gonna make this bag. Okay, so I'll make this and I will show it to you. By the way, I did make the slippers that were in the Mary Maxim kit. And let me, what the heck did I do with those, everybody? Let me see. Oh, yes. And they give you plenty of yarn to make these, you guys. Look. I made the, do you remember the Mary Maxim kit? I just want to show you. I did make those slippers. I'll show you better pictures. You know what? Maybe I'll do a video on the things I've made with my kits, and I'll just show y'all some random things. How's that sound? Would you guys like that? I can't promise you when I will make that video, but I will definitely write it down in my planner to make that video. Okay. Oh my gosh, we got a bonus pattern, everybody. Look at this. Bonus pattern. Can't talk. Retro bloom flowers. Ta-da! And you guys know I love making flowers too. So that is very awesome. So we got some retro bloom flowers, and we have that pattern to make those as well. Oh, they're so pretty. Look, everybody. Woohoo! That is pretty. I like that. But you know, I'm making that bag. And then if I have any yarn left over, I will make these flowers. Or maybe I will use some of my stash yarn to make these flowers. Yeah. Okay. That is it, everybody. That is the Crochet Society box. If you have lasted all the way to the end, thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you to all my subscribers and my private channel members. You guys are amazing, and I appreciate, love, and adore all of my crochet friends. If you are new here and you like me and my video content, blah, blah, right? I'd be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button. So yeah, I'm in a good mood today because I saw my little baby sister. She spent the whole day with me today. I love her so much. So anyway, thank you all, and you know what's next. Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And I will see you all very soon. Thanks, everybody. Bye.